Hi guys, today I've got, oh god, I need to go and get the fidget spinner. I've got a new fidget spinner, back in a mo. Sorry about that. It's the new fidget spinner. Pretty alright. Not the main part today. Spanish chewing gum. I'm gonna try some. Is this big?